Solving equations of two unknowns using the calculator. And the two unknowns are x and y, can be written as a system of simultaneous equations having the form a1 x plus b1 y is equal to c1, where a is the coefficient of x in this equation, b coefficient of y, and c is a constant. For the second equation, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Same thing, a2 is coefficient of x, b2 coefficient of y, and c2 is a constant in the second equation. A calculator will take the values of the coefficients a, b, and c in each equation and give us the value of the variables x and y. To enter equations, we click mode and then equation 5. Simultaneous equations are in number 1, a n x, which means that n can be 1 or 2, so a1 or a2 x, a first equation or second, plus by is equal to c. I press number 1, we should enter the variables a, b, and c in order to get x and y. So for example, if I have 2x plus 5y equal negative 21, second equation is 7x negative 3y is equal negative 12. We enter the values of the coefficients starting with 2 equal 5 for y equal negative 21. Now the values for the second equation, x, so 7 is the coefficient of x, negative 3y, so negative 3 is equal to negative 12. So x is equal to negative 3 and y is equal to negative 3 as well. Another example, 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0, and 6x plus 9y and 6x plus 9y plus 21 is equal to 0. This equation cannot be solved by the calculator since the calculator shows us ax plus by equal to c, not plus c equal to 0. So I have to take the c to the other side and put in front of them the equal sign, and of course they will become negative. 2x first equation plus 3y is equal negative 7 on the other side, and then 6x plus 9y is equal to negative 21. Now we solve the equation in this shape, so I enter 2 and then 3 and then negative 7. Again 6 plus 9 negative 21 plus again equal. We get a math error. This means that there's no point of intersection as in the previous example. In this case we have the lines are coincide on each other. Since if I try to divide a1 over a2 and b1 over b2 and c1 over c2, I will find them all equal. So if I divide 2 over 6, I'll get 1 over 3, and 3 over 9 also 1 over 3 coefficients of y, and negative 7 divided by negative 21, which are the constants, I will get also 1 over 3. So in this case there's a common ratio between the variables, coefficient of x and coefficients of y and the constant. In this case I'll say that the two equations represent two lines which are coincide on each other, so they have infinity of solutions. Finally, another example, 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. First equation. Second equation, 4x plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y is equal to negative 7 again. I'll take it to the other side. And 4x plus 6y is equal to negative 9 to make the shape, to keep the shape of the equation. So again, we enter the values of all coefficients and constants and equal. I also get math error. because actually here also there's no specific intersection point. If I divide 4 over 2, I'll get 2. 6 over 3, I'll also get 2. But negative 9 over negative 7, I will not get 2. So over here, a1 over a2 is equal to b1 over b2, but not equal to c1 over c2. So in this case, we say that the lines are only parallel, not coinciding each other, and there is no intersection point, no point of intersection at all. Thank you.